皆さんただいま。今回は喉に優しくって鍋で作れるレトロな濃厚プリンを作ります。Let's go! 70 grams of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, melt on medium heat until brown, add 1 tablespoon of hot water, place into cups, 2 large eggs, 1 egg yolk, 40 grams of granulated sugar. Mix it together. 1 cup of warm milk. Strain and place into cups. Place into a pan with boiling water around halfway. Boil on low heat for 15 minutes and sit for another 10 minutes. Place into the fridge for at least 2 hours. Boom!
Baby girl, I miss you, girl, cause you know you're my boo. You know I love you, can't wait till I say I do. Baby girl, I miss you, girl, cause you know you're my boo. You know I love you, can't wait till I say I do. And I've been through some times, wishing that you were mine. So beautiful, so fine.
Custard pudding.
حينما حل البلاء جئت إليك ذليلا أناجي من لي غيرك ربي يسمع مني شكواي من يستجيب الدعاء إلا الذي قد دعانا إليه من لي غيرك ربي معقود في رجايا لا تعاملني بذنبي يا جواد يا كريم إنني عبد ضعيف حظه لا يستقيم لا تحرمني ربي من لطفك العميم فسقامي تعبتني يا ربي الرحيم قل له كن فيكون قل له كن فيكون قل له كن فيكون قل له كن فيكون.
Recipes from Cooking Mama. 3 tablespoons of sugar, water. Make sure to not mix it. Simmer until it turns golden brown. Like this. Hot water. Consistency you're looking for. Warm up the milk in the microwave for 2 minutes. 2 eggs, egg yolks, sugar, shot of rum. Mix together. Slowly pour in the milk while mixing. Gently pour in the egg mixture. Add enough water so half of the container is covered. 2 chopsticks to let the air in. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes. Look at that.